Today I'm showing you how to transfer funds from India to Interactive Brokers. This process uses India's liberalized remittance scheme, and you'll need your Interactive Brokers account already approved and your PAN card. First, log in to the Interactive Brokers client portal. Head to the Interactive Brokers website and click Portal Login. Once you're through the login screen, you'll need to complete the two-factor authentication, usually SMS or QR code verification. Once you're in, click Transfer and Pay in the top menu. From there, select Transfer Funds, then make a deposit. You'll see the deposit options screen appear. Click Deposit Funds, and if it asks, select Use a new deposit method. Then choose BankWire from the list of deposit methods. The BankWire deposit form will load up. Indian banks don't support INR deposits to international accounts, so you'll need to send USD or another major currency. Next, select your currency from the drop-down, usually USD. Once you pick the currency-specific wire instructions will become available. Now, you'll see the bank information form. You can optionally save your bank details by selecting Yes in the bank information section, then enter your sending institution name and account nickname. Also, enter the amount you plan to wire transfer. At the bottom of the form, click Get Wire Instructions. This will display the full wire routing, instructions, bank name, account number, SWIFT code, and beneficiary details specific to the currency you chose. Save or print these instructions, you'll need them for your bank. This deposit notification doesn't actually move funds yet. You still need to arrange the wire transfer with your Indian bank. Now head to your Indian bank. You can do this at a branch or through your bank's online remittance portal. Look for the Outward Remittance section. It might be labeled Forex Services, International Transfer, or Outward Remittance, depending on your bank. Once you find it, you'll see the Outward Remittance Application Form or LRS Transfer Form appear. Fill out Form A2. This is a mandatory declaration form for any outward remittance. You'll enter the purpose, beneficiary details, amount, your PAN, and the RBI purpose code. You'll also need to sign the LRS declaration. Next, submit your supporting documents. You'll need your PAN card, a bank statement, or income proof to verify the source of funds, and the wire instructions from Interactive Brokers showing the beneficiary details. Upload these in the bank's portal or hand them in at the branch. The bank will acknowledge receipt. Now enter the wire transfer details. Use the beneficiary information from the Interactive Brokers wire instructions, that's the beneficiary name, which will be Interactive Brokers LLC or similar, the bank name, account number, and SWIFT or BIC code. In the transfer message or reference field, include your Interactive Brokers account number. It starts with the letter U and your name. Use the instructions for the currency you selected. You'll see a tax collected at source disclosure. If your annual foreign transfers exceed 10 lakh rupees, which is roughly $12,000, a TCS of 5 or 20% applies depending on the purpose, effective from April 1st, 2025. You can claim this TCS as a credit when filing your income tax return. Finally, review all the details, confirm the LRS declaration, and authorize the bank to debit your account and process the wire. Click Submit or Confirm. The bank will generate a transaction reference number or acknowledgement receipt. Funds typically take T+1 working day to show up in your Interactive Brokers account, though it can take longer depending on the currency and routing. You can track the deposit status in the Interactive Brokers client portal under Transfer and Pay, then Transaction Status and History. Keep your Form A2, bank receipt, and wire instructions for tax filing. You'll need them for Form 12BAA in India. The TCS you paid is claimable as a credit on your income tax return, so don't lose that paperwork. That's the complete process for funding your Interactive Brokers account from India.